it's been quite a while since I've made a book about like A Little Spot of Whatever's by Danny Albert. So today I went onto the page and I found like 5 books there, and I'm like, time to read. So yeah, here we are. A Little Spot of Belonging, a story about being true to yourself and making friends. Written and illustrated by Danny Albert, like I mentioned before. So yeah, let's begin. Hi, I'm a little spot of belonging. Belonging is a feeling you get when you have a great friend, when you're a part of a group, or when you are part of a community that supports you. It is also a feeling of confidence and loving who you are. Every human on this planet wants to feel like they belong, and we all have the power to help each other feel that way. You might already feel like you belong somewhere, like a family or a club, a band, a team, a school. There are so many places where you can belong. When you belong, you feel valued, safe, calm, and accepted. Those are amazing feelings. Did you know that you can help others feel like they belong too? You can do this by showing kindness. It's easy to show kindness. For example, you could ask someone to play, invite someone to a party, share your things, lend a hand when someone needs help. I'm here to help everyone feel like they belong, because when you feel like you don't belong, you can feel lonely, scared, and angry. Not belonging is when you feel left out or excluded. It's the feeling you get when you think that kids don't like you. That's why belonging needs to start with you first. It's important It's important to like yourself, believe in yourself, and care for yourself. You are amazing. When you start to do that, making friends becomes a lot easier. I am important, I am kind, I am loving, I am brave. For example, confidence can show when you smile. Smiling can show someone that you are friendly. Now, if you pair a smile with introducing yourself, you will be on your way to making friends in no time. I like to use, "Hi, my name is blank." "Hi, my name is Anna." Asking questions is another great way to show someone that you want to be their friend. When you ask questions, it gives you a chance to build a connection. You might even find something in common. I made this chart to give you some ideas of what to ask. Do you have a dog? Do you like pizza? Do you like to read? Do you like to write? Do you like to ride a bike? Do you like to paint? Do you like dinosaurs? Do you like to sing? Do you like to play soccer? Do you like to play chess? Do you like to dance? Do you like to bake? Do you like to build a rock pile? Which I have no idea what that is. Actually, I think I've done that before because there's like a lot of rocks. Okay, I'm off topic. Do you like unicorns? Do you like apples? Do you like to draw? Do you like to play baseball? Do you like to play video games? Do you have a cat? Do you like to play music? So yeah, those are 16 questions you can ask. Conversations can be a little tricky sometimes because they require teamwork. Think of a conversation like a game of catch. When a ball is tossed, ask a question like, "What did you do this weekend?" What did you do this weekend? When the ball is caught, answer the question like, "I went to the park." Now toss the ball back and ask a question like, "What did you do this weekend?" When the ball is caught, answer the question like, "I went swimming." Let's practice. What is your favorite food? "I like pizza." "I like pizza too." What's your favorite animal? "I like dogs." "I like cats." Another essential part of belonging is making sure everyone is included. So if you see someone standing alone nearby, ask them to join you. Including others can make more things more fun. It is also a great way to make new friends. Sometimes you might want to belong so badly that when you see a friend making a bad choice, you might feel the need to join in too. Instead of joining in, you should say something to stop it. Having the courage to stand up for what is right is the better choice. "Stop, you're not being nice. We are sorry." I know we are covered a lot, and there's still so much to learn. If we all practice being kind to ourselves and others, one day everyone in this world will feel like they belong. That's the end of this book. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I also hope that, well, two more things. Well, I hope that you learned something from this video, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye! Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please subscribe to my channel, give a like, and hit the notification bell for more updates. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!